Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to earn money from blogging. Okay, if you are a good blogger, okay, so if you have an ambition to earn money writing blogging, so that is a very good passive income for nowadays. Okay, so this is my one of my blog. It could earn. Okay, this month slightly the income will be go down uh, the based on the month. Okay, the next month it will be increment. Normally I can earn money per day $8. Okay, $8 to $10 per day. Okay, this month slightly it will be going down. Okay, the based on the starting month of January. Okay, so if you are write to a blog for one time, you can earn daily basis you will be able to make money on it. Okay, so if you are a new blogger, first you have to join into, first you have to write the blogger, so you have to connect with Google AdSense. Okay, after I have earned money from Google AdSense, after that my I have connected to the network to Zoic. Zoic I can earn money double compared to Google AdSense. Okay, now I'm going to work within Google Zoe. Okay, so how to make blogging? So it is very easy. Okay, so first you have to get some notepad and you have to select the niche. Okay, if you want to write the blogging, first you have to think of which niche you are going to make the blog. So my niche is I'm going to make it, if you want to make the blogging for travel blog, you have to go along with the uh, travels articles. Based on the travel articles and travel videos and all the things that you can upload it daily basis, you will be able to make money on it. After that, if you are a if you are curious about cooking, if you are curious about cooking, you will be able to make the videos and articles you can write. If you're a you will be able to make the fried rice, so you can write it step by step. Okay, about how to make the fried rice. Okay, and how to make the biryani and whatever. Okay, so you will be able to write the articles. Okay, this is a cooking blog. And after that, another one is a weight loss, health. Okay, after that, education. These are the education. So there are plenty of niche available, so I just took only four. You can take your own one. Okay, so I'm going for the health. If it is going to get the health, so weight loss. Okay, there are plenty of people are searching for how to reduce their weight. Every day they are searching. Okay, there are people day by day their weight is going high, so they want to lose their weight. So how to lose your weight? So there are plenty of people that are searching this keyword. Okay, so let's go with I'm going to get the example of health blog. Okay, so first what you are going to do is, first before you are writing the articles, first what you're going to do is you need a WordPress website. Okay, website. Okay, after that you need a SEO tool for research purpose research purpose. You need a SEO tool. SEO tools. Okay, I recommended two SEO tools. That's best one, href, and another one is a SEMrush. This both HTML SEMrush. Okay, this both. Another one is a Kuba suggest. This is also the bug. Kuba suggest. Okay, so these are the tools. These are the SEO tools which will be rank here. There are plenty of SEO tools available. I am working with these other tools. The best I recommend. This is the best tools. So today I having a SEMrush. Okay, so if you want to if you like to make the get the account, you go to the respective website of SEMrush and you can get the premium package. So you don't get the premium package for yearly base. Okay, you just get the package for monthly base for one month. Okay, if you are get the project in SEO project, you can get the, you can just check with the price and you will be able to buy for 1 month. Okay, you can gain many keywords research, okay, from this SEMrush. So I already buy it. So after buy it, you will be you log in that particular account. It is look like this. Okay, so here there will be the search engine. So here you will first you have to target the keywords. Okay, what is the now I'm going to go to make the blog. What is the blog? My heading is weight loss. I'm going to reduce my weight. So the people are daily basis they are searching for how to reduce our health. Every day basis they are searching. So what I'm going to do is first you have to find the volume of that particular keyword. Weight loss. We have to first you have to find the volume of that particular keyword. Weight loss. Okay. How much volume? So click. Now here you have to select that. In your SEMrush account, you can select keyword magic tool. This is a tool where you can research the keywords. So I want to research the tool keyword which is a weight loss. Weight loss. You can search as a US base. Okay, I have targeted the country which is US. Okay, you will be able to target whatever country you need. Okay, which country you have to get more audience. Okay, so I want to target the audience from US. Okay, if you want to you have to change the country, you will be able to change the country. Okay, whatever country you will be able to. If you want to go along with the United Kingdom, you go along with the United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, India, whatever country you will be able to search. Okay, there will be the search engine, search result. Okay, what is the keyword you are selected here based on the country, how much people are searching that particular keyword, and KD rate, everything you will can get it from here. Okay. Now this weight loss, I'm going to click search. Okay, after search you will get this result. Okay, so now if you are a newcomer of the blogger, you don't take this keyword. So first you have to go to here, this tool, you can get the KD, this KD, click on this arrow, you can make it as very easy. Click on this option. If you click on this option, you can see make very easy. You can see over here volume which is a 18,100 volume for this particular keyword. 18,000 volume for this particular keyword. KD rate you can see 6. Okay, if you are a new blogger, you are the new blogger. If you have created a blog for 1 or 2 months old, you don't take it the hard one. You have to put it as keyword difficulty as the KD, which is a keyword difficulty. It stands for keyword difficulty. You have to select as easy. It between 0 to 14%. Okay, you can go if it is not there in between 0 to 14, you can go to the second range of 15 to 30. Okay, don't get beyond that rate, beyond that 30. Okay, so if you are if you are a new blogger, take it this beyond the 30, you can't rank in a website. Okay, okay, so what you're going to do is don't get this keyword. Okay, now you can see over here, you will be taken to it. Okay, so second you can find it this keyword here. This is the monthly volume. It's 3,600. You can take this keyword and write the article. So this is here KD rate one. This is here. It will be this one. First you have to observe these two things. The volume should be above 1,000. Okay, so that is must. Okay, if the volume is not there, the KD rate is low, but the volume is not there, you don't take care of this keyword, it is useless. Okay, you don't take of that keywords. Okay, well, the volume should be the people this particular keyword, how many people are searching per day. So that's why it will be indicate over here. So if the people is not searching that particular keyword, but the KD rate is there. KD rate is low, very easy. The KD rate, the keyword domain rate is low, but people search volume is not there. You don't take off the keyword. Okay, the search volume is there, only you can take. You can take the search volume above 1000, then only you will be able to rank. So these all the things are above 1000. You will be able to write this, all the keywords you can take. Okay, when you take the keyword, another one you have to consider, that is very must. There is a two things. One thing is a long tail keyword. Another one is a short tail keyword. What is the difference of them? What is the difference of them? Long tail keyword and short tail keyword. What's the difference? Long tail keyword, it's nothing but you have to using the word more than 4. The word more than 3 or 4. More than 3. There is a that is a long tail keyword. Okay. If it is a short tail keyword, it must include only 3 words. Only 3 words. Okay, only 2 and 3 words and 1. This is a shorted keyword. This is a long tail keyword. This is the difference between long tail and keyword. Okay, you must this is very must. You must observe these two things while you writing the articles. When you rank on the Google search, this is very must. You can consider these all things when you write the article. So here you can see here the white glass. So here you can see here here this is the monthly volumes. Okay, so here you can see these are the, this is called as, what is it called as, this is the more than 4. This is the long tail keywords. Okay, so you can say, you can get the keywords for short tail keywords here. This is the short tail keywords here. Okay, you can bring 2 or 3 short tail keywords. You can put into the articles. You can get it for at least 4 long tail keywords and put into the articles. Okay, you can find it over here. This one should be the monthly volume is 3,000. You can take it off these keywords and write the, you can put as your short tail keywords. Okay, so there you can find it. There are many short tail keywords are there. Okay, you will be able to find. You can one by one, you can simply find the short. You don't take off these keywords. Okay, this is the volume. Although this even though the KD rate is 11, but you can consider apart from the volume. If you are going to look at the volume, it's very low. Don't take off it the keywords which is below 1000. Okay, at least the keyword volume search per day 800 should be enough, but don't take below 800. Okay, that is vain. Okay, it's very hard to rank. Okay, it's nothing. Okay, so you don't take that keywords. Okay, search volume, you have to consider search volume as well. Okay, you can find it. Okay, this volume here, you can click on this one, which volume say volume, low volume, so you can take off this here. This all things are here. You don't take this keywords as well. Okay, right, you have to consider this one. What I said, this is the very must. You can take the keyword research. Okay, you can consider both. The KD rate should be low. Apart from, another one is the search volume should be there above 1000. Both you will be able to consider. Some other people are considering only the keyword KD rate. If the KD rate is low, they are going to take off that keyword and write it. Okay, so that is not good. Another one, if the search, you have to consider the search volume as well. Okay, so we have, then you can take off this keyword as a long tail keyword. Okay, you can put that long tail keyword in your article 4 or 5. After that, you should write the short tail keyword as well. That is also must for while you ranking the articles. Okay, when you ranking the article, you can, there are people are searching on the 2 keywords, 2 keywords. Okay, so this is called as a short tail keywords. I already showed. Okay, so this is short tail keywords. Okay, so that kind of articles you can. So this only I top I have get the keyword as weight loss. You can find whatever keywords, the weight loss calculator here in the keywords, weight loss app, weight loss diet. Let's search for the search volume and all the things for this keyword. This keyword is very low here. Search volumes are very low, so if it is go for the easy, here this is about easy. Okay, this is the keywords difficult. If you go difficult, there is a volume is high volume. So you don't take off these keywords. Okay, this is the here volume is KD rate 16. Okay, if your blog is 5 years, 6 years, 4 years old, you can take off these keywords and write. That is no, that is nothing, because you have already ranked your website in your Google search. Thank you for watching. If you are a new blogger, please consider what I said in the tutorial. This is very much when you are when your blog get in Google ranking first page. Okay, so when the people are searching weight or weight loss, your searching keyword must be included in the Google first page. That is a very that is a very must. Okay, if you are a blogger. Okay, that's a very must. So consider this one. Thank you so much.